What up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows update error code 0x800f020b. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this error. The first thing you should do is to go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot to see this menu pop up, and open up troubleshoot settings menu. In here, click into additional troubleshooter, and then I want you to basically click Windows update and run this troubleshooter. So there is a troubleshooter itself for your Windows device, as you can see over here. So doing this will fix this error. So I want you to basically do this. Now, if this did not work, the next thing you should do is go back into your search bar and type in services. In here, you're going to see this open up, and you want to just type in the letter W, or you can just write Windows Update, because we're looking for something called Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Both of these, you want to right click into them, go to Properties, and we're going to basically, you can see mine is technically stopped, but we're going to stop them if they're started, and if they're not started, start them, and then basically press apply and change them from manual into automatic for both of them. So you're doing the same concept for both of these. So you're going to do them both. Again, basically automatic. If it's started, stop it. If it stops, start it. Press apply, and then essentially go from there. Restart your computer. You should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash the like. If you guys are on the channel, make sure to subscribe. Click the notification bell on that. Mo Tutorials out. Peace.